Imagine a rusty, abandoned railway structure, stretching 4 miles above city streets, overgrown with weeds and seen by many as nothing more than an ugly, dangerous relic of the past. Would you fight to save it, or would you be among those who simply wanted it gone to make way for new development? Many people and entities wanted to tear down the High Line structure, primarily property owners adjacent to the tracks and the city of New York itself. For years, this elevated railway was considered an eyesore and a barrier to development, making demolition seem like the only sensible option. The primary reason for wanting its removal was its perceived obsolescence and the significant cost associated with maintaining or repurposing such a large, derelict piece of infrastructure. The High Line, a former freight rail line, had fallen into disuse in 1980 and had sat vacant for decades. Property owners saw the structure as blocking light and views, hindering potential building projects, and attracting blight. From the city's perspective, it represented a liability and an expense, with no clear path to productivity. The movement to demolish the High Line gained significant momentum in the late 1990s, with then Mayor Rudy Giuliani backing its destruction. However, a small but dedicated group of local residents and community activists formed an organization called Friends of the High Line. Their vision was to transform the decaying structure into a unique elevated park, drawing inspiration from similar projects in other cities. This visionary group understood that the High Line was more than just old steel. It was a unique urban landscape with immense potential. They painstakingly documented the structure, gathered community support, and presented compelling arguments for adaptive reuse. Their innovative approach highlighted the environmental benefits of green space and the economic opportunities of a new park, which was an unconventional idea at the time. Ultimately, the story of the High Line's preservation and transformation is a powerful testament to the impact of grassroots advocacy and a bold civic imagination. It shows how what was once deemed a burden can become a celebrated urban oasis, breathing new life into a neighborhood and creating immense value for the entire city.